abandoned. 40 years. Forgotten. The cliff curves, ocean on two sides, mountains rising behind. But today, luxury starts now.
The crew is here. Let's get to work. Survey the damage. Every inch, every crack.
"40 years sealed inside.
Rust, dust, decay, everywhere.
This was a war machine. Now it's a tomb.
The heart is dead. We'll bring it back.
Frozen solid. 4 blades. All dead.
Phase 1, strip it to the bone. Phase 2, build the foundation. Phase 3, structure and skin. Phase 4, interior framing. Phase 5.
Let's get this started.
Here we go.
Strip it all. Down to bare metal. 40 years of filth. Gone.
This crack goes deep. We'll make it stronger.
Off with the old. Off with the old. All 4.
Nothing worth keeping. Start fresh.
The dead heart comes out.
Broken glass. Broken past.
Everything goes. Nothing stays.
Down to the skeleton. This is where it begins.
Clean slate. Satisfaction.
Check every joint, every rivet. Stop the rust, forever.
Stronger than factory. Built to last. Flawless. Ready for the finish. Brushed titanium. This is luxury. Gold lines against titanium. Stunning. "180 degrees of ocean. Ocean to starboard, land to port.
Smooth rotation. Perfect balance. Carbon fiber. 4 blades. Silent flight.
Ready for the new heart. New heart. Twice the power.
It's alive.
Light it up. Your private terrace. Ocean wraps around. Mountains stand guard.
Guard. Even the rotors are art now.
Foundation first, always. Silent inside, no matter the storm outside. Smart everything, wired for luxury.
Goodbye, military green. Hello, luxury.
A sky full of stars. Inside.
Deep ocean epoxy floor. Satisfaction.
Let's get these sofas in. Perfect.
Cinema in the clouds. Ocean to the right. Gourmet kitchen. At 5,000 feet.
Marble counters gleam like gold.
Follow the light. Sleep facing the mountains. Ocean to the side.
Everything has its place.
Hand me that book. Perfect.
Shower with a view. At altitude.
Soak under the stars.
Heated floors. Heated towels. Luxury.
Room for guests. Always ready.
Office in the sky. Internet from space. Private quarters complete. Satisfaction, satisfaction.
Complete. Exterior, interior, everything. Just a machine perched where the land meets the sea on two sides.
Rust to Luxe. Complete. Subscribe for the next transformation.